Cleaning the house may be important, but it's the most boring task of your day. Whether it's laundry or mopping, or even a deep scrub, there's nothing worse. With so many awesome products on the market these days to assist you in cleaning around the house, it can be tough to decide which one is right for you. That's why we've put together a list of the best cleaning gadgets you can buy from Amazon. So without delay, let's begin. Introducing CyberClean. CyberClean is perfect for cleaning any item or surface with difficult-to-reach gaps and crevices. Thanks to its unique membrane system, dirt and bacteria are locked inside the compound. CyberClean is easy to use and leaves no residues, which makes it perfect for cleaning electronics such as phones and intercoms, stereo equipment, computers, and keyboards, as well as gaming equipment and controls. It is also ideal for cleaning many standard household items, such as hair dryers and shavers, ventilators, radiators, in fact any item or surface with difficult-to-reach gaps and crevices. It protects against harmful bacteria and promotes a healthy living environment, be it at home or at the workplace. Dremel Versa Power Cleaning Tool. Dremel Versa Power Cleaning Tool is the ultimate cleaning tool you'll ever need to clean every dirt in your home, automobile, workshop, or outdoor spaces. It comes with 4 cleaning pads designed according to the type of dirt or surface you're trying to clean. If you need something to cut through really tough stuck stain and dirt in your car or home, then this tool is for you. Dremel Versa is a rotating cleaning tool that weighs in at 2 pounds and has 2200 RPMs. The design is compact and can be held within one hand. The rechargeable battery lasts about over 20 minutes before it runs out, which is quite a long time. Just try scrubbing as fast as you can for that long. Magnetic Window Cleaner. Cleaning windows has always been a tough job. The Magnetic Window Cleaner Glider is an essential product for people who live in apartments or have hard-to-reach windows, like upstairs bedrooms. It is the only safe way to clean windows that are wider than your arm's length. The glider is equipped with a powerful magnet that will never fade, any PDM rubber squeegees that will not wear out either. The microfiber cloths can also be used to scrub very dirty windows. The advanced window cleaner is used by professionals to clean the exterior of windows. It is simple and effective to use. It took Alex around 7 minutes to clean each window, and they are huge windows. Add a splash of window cleaner to both sides of the window and pop the larger part of the glider on the inside window and place the smaller part on the outside window. The magnets hold the 2 parts together tightly, and now you can begin gliding the cleaner at the top of the window horizontally. When you reach the bottom, the change will be exceptional. No streaks, no lines, just visibly clean windows. Dyson Vacuum Cleaner. Dyson's most powerful cord-free cleaner head ever. Stiff nylon bristles drive deep into carpet to remove ground-in dirt. Soft, anti-static carbon fiber filaments capture dust from hard floors and crevices. With 6 stages of filtration capture dust, pollen and allergens, while high-integrity seals prevent them from leaking back in the air. There's also a dusting brush, an extension hose which is flexible, and a unique top adapter. This is quite handy in cleaning ceiling fan blades. You can attach a brush to the adapter and clean the bottom surface of it. Ejects all the dust and debris deep into the bin in one action. So there's no need to touch the dirt. The V11 Absolute Pro incorporates a filtration system that captures about 99.97% of particles, including microscopic dust particles up to 0.3 microns. With an efficient system and a handy display, you reassure of the charge that's left. It also tells you if there is anything wrong in the way you're rehandling the V11. Gilmore Foam Master. Foam Master Cleaning Sprayer is the perfect all-around tool for cleaning, degreasing and disinfecting your vehicle. Ideal for dairy equipment and food handling and preparation areas, the multi-ratio foam cleaning gun from Gilmore has a foam-generating wand that creates a thick, cleaning foam. This handy cleaning gun accurately mixes and sprays foaming chemicals. Its even distribution of foam ensures the most controlled, scratch-free wash possible. Putting your cleaning sprayer together is a breeze. Simply pour the cleaning solution into the easy-to-fill mouth of the tank. Next, connect the tank to the sprayer and the nozzle to the hose. Finish by attaching the sprayer to the nozzle. To choose how much solution you want to release, adjust the dial setting. Once you're set, you can start cleaning. Tubshroom. The Tubshroom is a mushroom-shaped silicone device that fits inside of most shower drains. It's designed to collect hair around its midsection instead of allowing it to make its way down the pipes. Tubshroom is super easy to install. It fits any standard 1.5-inch by 1.75-inch bathtub drain. And if there is a metal catcher above the drain, you can use a screwdriver to remove it and place the Tubshroom in its place. You just pop the all-silicone Tubshroom into your drain, then pop it up and wipe off the hair coiled at the bottom with a tissue or paper towel to clean as needed. If you live in a household where you ever have to clean hair out of your drains, or you've ever given thought to using drain cleaner, this is the product for you. The Tubshroom and Sinkshroom ensure you never have to pour a hazardous chemical down your sink again, which is a serious environmental benefit that cannot be understated. You'll also save money and time in the long run by not needing to buy drain cleaner anymore and being able to quickly clean up any potential clogs before they make it down your drain. OXO Good Grips. This OXO Good Grips electronics cleaning brush helps keep your electronics clean. It features a retractable brush side for sweeping keyboards and a flat-sided silicone chisel tip for wiping fingerprints and removing grime from small crevices. OXO is perfect for cleaning tablets, phones, and laptops. OXO pen-shaped design provide an easy, comfortable grip. Flat edge of silicone chisel tip removes smudges and fingerprints from screens. Pointed chisel tip cleans debris and grime from crevices. Retractable brush side for sweeping away dirt and dust from keyboards. This is it in today's video. Hope you like it. Please support our channel by click red subscribe button. Thanks, see you next time.